Hello, this video is about gathering map information for a property in Pershing County, Nevada. We start at the Pershing County homepage and we go to the assessor's office. Then we go to GIS Land Records Map. By the way, this GIS works, or map viewer works much better for me in Google Chrome. So then I'm going to paste in, I was going to paste in a parcel address, but I don't have it, so I'm going to go to Podio and grab that parcel. Okay. There. Okay. Now then, when you get a parcel number for a property in the assessor site, often it starts with zeros and has hyphens. You have to remove the zeros and the hyphens to use the parcel number to search for the parcel. So the parcel comes up down here, click on it, and it takes you right to the parcel map. First thing I'm going to do is turn on the aerial imagery as a backdrop to the property. Very good. I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and I'm going to get a screen grab of the property and a little bit of the surrounding landscape and surrounding parcels. Great. That screen grab is going to get loaded into the Add Materials folder for this property in Dropbox. Now the next steps I'm actually not going to be able to do because for some reason they don't work when I'm recording my screen. But you're going to go to you're going to measure the property, measure the acreage, and you're going to gather GPS coordinates for the property center and the property corners. And you do that using this tool. See this turning blue? That only happens when my screen recorder is on for some reason. So I'm not going to really be able to do this, but this is how you measure acreage. You press that button and you just trace around the property, and then you get the acres. That actually is wrong. This property is 40 acres. That reads 20 acres for some reason. I'm not sure why. But if you have a disparity between what the assessor site says and what the measurement is, it's probably because your measuring tool is not working. Again, I think this normally does work. Okay, the next step is to get the GPS coordinates for the property. And you saw what I just did. You press this little tool, and then you simply put pins on the property corners, and this is the longitude for that pin. This is the latitude. So you're just gonna, okay, you're just gonna copy that number. Okay. Oh, for some reason I'm highlighting all of them. There you go. So now that I've got that highlighted, I'm just going to simply copy and paste that into a document, and I'm going to gather the GPS coordinates for each corner, specifying northwest quarter, northeast corner, etc. Again, I can't really do that for you now because for some reason this tool doesn't work when I'm recording my screen. So the final thing we're going to do is get the contact information for the property neighbors. And the way you do that is you click on ID here, and then, so this is my property, remember. We'll start by clicking on the property to the east. Okay, this brings up their information. To get the complete information in a format, I can copy and paste it. I'm going to click on Pershing, Nevada tax information. It brings up a fresh window, and I copy this, their name and address right there. And I'm just going to copy that and paste it into a separate document, and be sure to specify that that is the property to the east of my property. And then you will simply go around my property. You will get this owner information, this owner, this owner. Now this property to the south here, you'll notice, is quite large, and those super large parcels in Nevada are normally owned by the Bureau of Land Management, so that's the federal government. Obviously I'm not going to sell my land to them, so don't worry about their address, but it's good to have BLM land next to my property since it's public and it makes my property more appealing. So that's how you, this video told you how to get a map of the property, how to measure the acreage, how to collect the GPS coordinates, and how to gather the neighbor address information. All, of course, for Pershing County, Nevada. Thank you very much.